Here in my garage, fun to drive up in the Hollywood Hills in this here Lamborghini. But do you know what I like more than material things like this Lamborghini? This t-shirt. So you guys have seen in my last couple of videos, probably if you've been watching, I've been wearing some of these t-shirts, and some of you guys are like, hey, that's a pretty cool t-shirt. And I'm like, yeah, because I actually made it myself. I just whipped it up real quick in Photoshop, threw it on a t-shirt. I wanted a t-shirt with a knife on it to rep the name. This one actually says Big Flips on it, except I don't know if you can see it. It says it in wingding, so there's like a police car and like a weird symbols and stuff. I thought that was kind of funny. So anyways, but the point is, I got this t-shirt, and if you think it's cool, not only are there t-shirts and stuff, but there's like, you got sweaters, and you've got every single thing you can imagine, all different kinds of colors. And the cool thing is, because I made this myself, it's pretty straightforward. If you are an artist or something, and you think you could make a cool t-shirt with a knife on it, or it says Big Flips or something, you can just send me it. I got an email, and if it's good, I'll put it up there on the store, and I'll pay you back somehow. Maybe I'll send you a t-shirt or something. But if it's good, yeah, that would be cool. Anyway, so I got these shirts. If you want to buy them, support my channel. Appreciate you. They actually fit really well. They're really nice, really solid t-shirts. I got a hoodie here too. Let me check this guy out. Yeah, it's pretty. I've tried to make it pretty simple, pretty straightforward, right? Nothing crazy. But if you want something crazy, you could make it yourself. I'll see what it's like. But once again, right, it's just like a really nice, solid hoodie. Like, just fits real well, nice and thick, pretty cheap. So t-shirts are anyway. So yeah, hope you guys liked that video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys appreciate this. Let me know what you think of this design. I can always cook up some more stuff, different knives, different things, whatever you like. So let me know what you think. Have a great day. Peace.